Alrighty, guys, welcome back to the Crazy MooSe, this crazy YouTube channel. Tonight, you guys, we're playing some more Rocket League Snowday. We got the Bulldozers coming into town to take on Team KraZii MooSe. You guys, you know we're taking Team KraZii MooSe. We got 3-on-3 pro difficulties. We got Caveman and Chipper on the team tonight, you guys. Oh boy, zoinks! Come on, get on the ground. Alright, somebody go back and get the puck. Somebody come back and get the puck. Where's the puck? Come on, Chipper, send it around. Alright, just giving a little love tap, you guys. Oh! I think we just got enough on the nose just to tip it in. Watch this. Let me see if I get a little spin action going. Oh, shout. I think Goose might have kicked it in for us. Either way, you guys, we got the goal. We're up 1-0 with 4:41 to go in the game. Buzz is going to try to get a good send around. Come on. Oh, shoot. Not considered epic saves. Tell me why not. Alright, playing a little D. Oh. Oh, boy. Okay, that got sent, you guys. Come on. Come on. Caveman, send it around. Caveman just decided to go jumping to nowhere. Not sending the puck around. Oh. Oh. Okay. Just trying to clear the zone. Oh, shoot! Go in. Thought Caveman for sure would have the bounce. Oh, boy. Save the puck! Why wasn't that considered epic saves? Why wasn't that considered epic saves? It was. Okay. Exploder. Epic saves. Caveman's trying to bump me down the field when I'm trying to set up. Goose. Oh, Goose. Alright, we owe Goose a freaking exploder. Oh, just clearing the zone. 3 minutes to go in the game, you guys. We only got one score. Oh, I keep missing it. Come on. Oh! Oh! Goose done scored on the MooSe. Oh, shout. Oh, there you go, Caveman. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Just grab it and throw it into their freaking net. 2:42 to go in the game. People can explode. Ow! I thought it was at least going to ride on the freaking wall. Oh, dang it, guys. The puck's not settling. My team's not playing. There's a freaking exploder. We still owe Goose exploders. Here we go. Ah, shoot. 2 minutes to go in the game. I can't land my freaking vehicles. There's a send around. Maybe a little too strong. Oh, damn it! 1:40 to go in the game, you guys. Oh, shoot! Not considered an epic save. Are you for real? There we go! How did that not get in, you guys? Alright, we gotta save this one, though. Oh, my goodness. 1 minute to go in the game, you guys. The game's gone by really quick. There we go! With under a minute to go in the game! Crazy Moose gets the second freaking goal. We're now up by 1 with 55 seconds to go in the game. Oh, look at me. Posterizing Goose. Moose posterized Goose. Come on. Alright, we cannot give up this freaking goal here. We need to get an insurance goal. That's a shot. Come on, please go in. Please go in. There it is, you guys. Crazy Moose pulling off the hat trick from the ceiling with 40 seconds to go in the game. Zoinks! Oh, tell me Goose is down here again. There's Buzz. There's Goose coming in on the poster. I'm going to sign these freaking posters and sell them after the game, you guys. That's how we get it done. Crazy Moose taking out the Bulldozers. Oh, can we get goal number 4? I'm thinking, why not? How about we get goal number 5? I don't even think the defense was playing, you guys. Where's the defense? I mean, I don't even... Do you see anybody? I don't see anybody on their freaking team. Alright, you guys. We got 4 goals. Let's go for number 5. That's just what Team Crazy Moose does. Oh, son of a gun! That was a tip in the air. Alright, we still owe Goose. There's my Goose Sploder. Oh, Buzz, you were about to get sploded up. That's a send around from the Crazy Moose for goal number 5. Oh, that would have been so sweet. There we go. You guys, Team Crazy Moose beating. Look at Chipper with 63 bump cars. Goodness gracious, Chips. 63 bump cars for Chipper, you guys. Caveman had 1 assist with 1 shot. Chipper had 1 assist with 1 shot. Crazy Moose, all 4 freaking goals, 1 epic save, 4 shots. We had a slowpoke goal. Bulldozers, Goose had a goal. Buzz had the assist. And Buzz and Scout both had epic saves. And then Scout was the only person on the team to get a shot, even though Goose scored. 6 shots to 1 shot, you guys. Goodness, there's my posterize of Goose. You guys, like I said, we're just down here in the Moose Cave trying to have fun, not trying to take life too serious. Doing hood slides. Look at this. You guys, tell me where the defense is. The defense just wasn't playing. That's how fast we got the puck down there. You guys, if you could, though, hit that like, hit that freaking subscribe, support the Moose. Like I say, we're down here in the Moose Cave, not trying to take life too serious. We just try to laugh at ourselves every once in a while. You guys laugh at me all the freaking time. You hit that subscribe button, man. Every video I post, you'll be able to watch them. And hopefully they just get zellier and zellier and zellier. Oh my goodness, you guys. Team Bulldozer, they done got bulldozed over. They are now underground. Oh, shoot. They're going to come out and they're going to be called the Coffins. You guys, till next time, support the Moose. I'm out. See ya.